everybody, it's Jennifer. I was gifted a puppy playpen for my girl, Peppa. Comes with instructions. You get the outside of the playpen, and it has a bunch of really sturdy plastic connector pieces and metal bars to put it together. So I'm going to put it together, speed it up, tell you all the good things, and then show you Peppa inside. So let's get to it. This dog playpen is 47 by 47 by 25. It's a hexagonal shape, which is really nice. Has really nice Oxford cloth, which is tear resistant. And it has several openings, one in the front and one on top for your dogs. It's really nice because it's not going to tip over. So to put this together, you just have the connectors. You put the small pieces on the bottom. I made a mistake and had to undo it. The large pieces are the height, and then you put these small pieces on top again. You flip it over and put the actual material on. This part was not hard, but it was tricky because it is tight, and that's great because it's going to stay on, but it did take two people to zipper it, like one person to hold and one person to zip. Once we got it on, it was fine. Then you're just going to flip it over and your dog is going to be ready to try it out. I love that this is so spacious, so versatile, durable, easy to clean, and really well ventilated. All of those are screens. Okay, it's together. You do need two people to zip this on because it is very taut. You have this front window, which is plastic. It unzips. And you can roll this up. And then there's Velcro under here that you can Velcro to the top. On the top, I'll show you from above in a minute, you have a screen that you can open as well, so you can put your dog in and take him out from the top. This is nice. It's nice and big. Let's put Peppa in and take some closer looks. Okay, this is incredible. You have that robust metal tube frame, so it's super stable, very durable, well ventilated. Love that Oxford cloth. You could wipe it off. And this is going to withstand sharp little claws. It's so great. You can put your dog in from the front or the top. It's easy to assemble and to disassemble so that you can take it with you if you travel a lot. This would be awesome. Peppa enjoyed being in here. She had no issues whatsoever. The zippers on here are really nice. I really do love all of that mesh fabric. You do have the several Velcro pieces that are going to keep those windows open. I really just can't say enough great things about it. I'm really, really loving it. This is a really great addition to your family if you have puppies or even bigger or older dogs. Plenty spacious and just a really nice option. So we are really loving this one. Definitely check it out.